Could an old birdwatching journal provide hints to the whereabouts of a 1990s missing child? In the quiet town of Silver Lake, an amateur ornithologist named Eleanor had meticulously documented bird sightings in her leather-bound journal for decades. Little did she know, her peaceful hobby would intersect with a dark mystery. In 2018, while organizing Eleanor's belongings after her passing, her granddaughter discovered cryptic notes embedded within the bird descriptions, dates and locations eerily matching the timeline of a local child's disappearance in 1995. Authorities reopened the cold case, discovering that Eleanor's observations possibly pinpointed movements of a suspicious figure near the child's last known location. With bated breath, the town watched as forensic experts pieced together clues from these seemingly innocent entries, leading to a breakthrough that would finally provide closure to a family long haunted by unanswered questions.